Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Whoa, check it out, it's Snakebite. Whoa, that's so cool. Hiss. Whoa, who's that? It's upside down. Oh my goodness, it's Mega Rex. Oh, check it out, it's Wedge. Look at that. Oh no, there's a bunch of zombies over there. They're blocking the walkway. We can't, which way can we go? We can't go that way, so we gotta go this way. Oh no, all those monster trucks that are over there. We'll have to figure out a way to get to them. Hey, check it out, it's Werewolf. Whoa, it's 5 Alarm. Hey, it's it's Zombie Rex. Hey, Zombie Rex, do you know how to deal with all those other zombies that are over there? No, I don't. Okay, thanks, Zombie Rex. Check it out. Oh my goodness, it's another Mega Rex with a dinosaur. Huh. Maybe the dinosaur can help us. I don't know. Whoa, who's that? It's Salvager. Whoa, that's a cool looking monster truck. Check it out, it's Invader. Whoa, look at this. It's Night Shifter. Wow, it's a teal one. I wonder if we can find another one. Whoa, it's Dumps. Or it's Axel, I mean. That's pretty cool. Hi, Axel. Hey, monster truck man. Whoa, check it out. It's the red Night Shifter. So cool. Who's that? Oh, it's Thunderbus. It's got a unicorn right there. Hey, Storm Damage. What's going on? Whoa. Town Hauler, what are you doing? Hey look, it's a little. We'll trash it all. And who's that? It's Mohawk Warrior. Wow, so cool. And El Toro Loco. We got a lot of monster trucks. Let's put them all out here and see how many we found. We found El Toro Loco, Mohawk Warrior, Invader, Town Hauler, Storm Damage, a small will trash it all, Night Shifter. Ooh, another Night Shifter. They must be brothers. Salvager, Thunderbus, Werewolf, Five Alarm, Mega Rex, another Mega Rex, a Zombie Rex, Snakebite, Wedge, and Axel. Don't forget, we found a dinosaur too. Let's see how many monster trucks we found. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We found 18 monster trucks today. Wow, check them all out. So cool. The Zombie Rex and Mega Rex are really cool. And Wedge and Axel. And don't forget one dinosaur. That's a lot of monster trucks, everybody. It's pretty cool. We'll see you next time, friends.